it's Yuko here, hope you're well. Have you noticed? My kitchen looks slightly different. Well, I've moved. No, I haven't. I'd love to say that, but I haven't moved. Well, I'd love to find a lovely kitchen, maybe like this, but it's not that easy and very expensive in London. But I came up with a great solution. Just film it in front of green screen and then I can be anywhere I like. I can choose any kitchen and I can just put myself in there. But to be honest, it took me a while to choose a kitchen because there are so many options, beautiful kitchens out there, and I don't know which one I want to be in. Well, maybe next time you'll find me in a different kitchen. Anyway, today I'm going to cook another vegan dish using tofu. Tofu is a great meat alternative because it's full of protein and also very versatile. I've used tofu for different dishes in my previous videos, but there are plenty more to show. Well, tofu, we use it in all sorts of different ways in Japanese cooking, and also it became such an international ingredient and you can find so many different ways of cooking and it's exciting. It's easy to deal with, so you can bake it or you can chuck in curry or you can fry it, you can do all sorts of things. In my vegan katsu curry video, I fried tofu with panko, Japanese breadcrumbs. But in this video, I'm going to use potato starch instead of panko. Well, both are fried tofu, but those different powders give a different texture. Tofu is quite plain and bland. If you coat it with some powder, you can create some texture around it. Also, it helps absorb sauce. Sounds great, isn't it? Let's crack on. First of all, let's put a tablespoon of brown sugar into a small bowl. Next up is cooking sake. Let's add 1 tablespoon of it. Then, a tablespoon of soy sauce joins in. Here is a little twist. Now we are going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar into it. Now it's time for our favorite tofu. Let's slice them. The thickness should be about 1 centimeter. Let's heat vegetable oil in the frying pan. Now we're going to coat each piece of tofu with potato starch. Then pop it into the heated oil. I love that noise. As tofu is now ready, let's chop shiitake mushrooms. We use a bit of sesame oil here. When the oil is heated, it's time to add mushrooms. A pinch of salt and black pepper. Let's just stir fry. When the mushrooms are cooked through, we are going to add the sauce which we made at the very beginning. Let it simmer for a bit so that alcohol evaporates. making it healthier, serving with some green veggies. For the sauce over tofu, this is definitely the most fun part. I'm not entirely sure about the color scheme, but this is definitely healthy and tasty. I hope you like the recipe and also my kitchen. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Keep cooking and see you next time!